everyone!
Hi guys!
Welcome back to another video.
We're here in sunny Sydney.
It's so warm.
Yeah.
And we're going to take some photos with golden hour.
We don't really have that much to say today, so enjoy!
That's a good one.
That was it.
We're done. That looks so cool. Look, it's a different lens. I just want to show you. See the water from here. Now I'm going to change my lens.
You want a dance break? Oh, she's changing the lens.
Let's go.
You probably won't ever get that again. So.
Do you want to like crouch down maybe?
Yeah.
Maybe here in this the normal lens. That's cool.
Coming above.
Woman in half.
That's what I was thinking. Do you want to try leaning both your hands over this side? Oops, sorry. That looks cool. Can we get a film shot?
Yeah.
I'm so excited. Dan got it for me for my birthday and like slash my 10-year photography anniversary.
Congrats!
Thank you.
Have you tried it yet?
No, not yet. It looks like my camera, hey?
Yeah.
But then on the back there's no screen and I'm like, what?
Oh my god, how cool.
I know, I love it. That's cool. I should probably like count you in or something.
Yeah.
I'm just like waiting there. Oh, that looks cool. I like that. Just copy you. I didn't count you in again.
Yes.
Thanks so much. Okay, ready? Awesome. Maybe I'll get like a wide shot.
Okay.
If you wanted to like, maybe you could lean over your legs.
Julia, count me in.
Sorry. Alright. 1, 2, 3. I keep going to look at the back of the camera and I'm like, there's nothing. That's cute. Huh? I like that. Yeah, that's pretty. Please don't do that. Kids are going off. Yeah. Well, you've got like a piece of hair stuck in that.
Oh, that's good.
You want it there? Cool. And do you want to twist and maybe face this way as well?
Mm-hmm. Legs out again.
I think so, yeah. And just like look over your shoulder if you want. I know, I like keep standing on squishy things. I'm like not even looking. I'm too scared. Ready. Oh my god.
Go back. I need it.
This is probably the hardest place we've ever done movement shots. Oh, these are good. I like these. Oh my god!
I didn't even take that chance.
Oh my god. Caught it at the right
You
moment.
try and be a good model.
I think we got
There's
it in these
definitely
ones.
some-
Yeah.
for sure.
I think we could probably get a little bit closer to the water here.
Yeah.
Oh, that's so pretty. There's like just water, nothing else. I actually really liked it with you playing around with your hair as well. Looked good. At least the wind stopped too, it's good. Oh, that's cool. Awesome. I like that. Perfect. I'm like, I'll just keep going. This looks so cool. Wait, 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. And then can we do one with you just kind of like playing with your hair? Cool. And then I'll take like a wider one. Maybe if you like kind of
I know exactly.
cool. And can we try a couple of movement ones on this too?
Yeah.
I want to see if we can get something.
Should I do the one walking towards you?
Yeah. Cool. It's so weird.
I know.
Maybe like a crouching one with like the water in the background would be cool too.
Or do you even want me to like sit on that?
Oh, yeah, that would be cool. That's really pretty. All right, and then one, maybe like leaning over and looking at me. 1, 2, 3.
Oh, this is film.
1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. 1, 2, 3. That was a nice one. Maybe, oh, maybe here in like the fieldy bit. Maybe if you stand like in here. 1, 2, 3. I feel like maybe facing towards me, and if you kind of like sway your arms around. That's cool. One, two, three. 1, 2, 3. One, two, three. Yay! Thank you.
Thank you. And thanks, Dan, as always.
Yeah, thank you, Dan. Ah, that was nice.
It was.
Yeah.
Another random shoot.
Oh, these look so cool. It kind of just looks like a movie still kind of thing.
That
They look.
You're back. That That looks like I
That's
just won
really
the
cool.
Olympics.
Yeah.
Yeah, I like
You like
that.
crossed the finish line.
Yeah. Okay, quick, let's go before.
Ready. Oh. Good start. I've got Dan in the background.
Yeah, I like that. Let's just do one more of those.
Maybe I'll try it in landscape as well, so we've got some different ones. Awesome. Oh, there were some good ones in there, I saw. And lean towards me a little bit with those ones, yeah. So we just finished. We like pretty much ran out of light. The sun like is gone, so we're shooting in blue hour, but it looks amazing.
Tip for anyone shooting for sunset, stay till the end.
It's worth it. Like we got this
always make
amazing
this
pink
mistake.
sky.
Yeah,
It's
it
not
was
pink
really
anymore.
cool.
Yeah.
I actually, pink sky is like probably better than golden hour.
I reckon
for
it
me.
is,
I
yeah.
like that more now.
I feel like the lighting's like softer as well,
Yeah.
which looks nice. The
Yeah.
golden hour can be a bit too like overpowering in the photo.
harsh.
Yeah.
But yeah,
Yeah.
always stay till after the sunset.
We're gonna start doing that from now on
Yeah.
because we haven't done that in ages.
Yeah.
And we also got some shots on the Canon EOS-1 V with Agfa 200 film, which was really fun to shoot on. I kept looking at the back of the camera to see what the
I know,
shots look like.
ripping me out. It's the same as that camera.
Yeah, and I kept forgetting to like count you in and
Yeah.
stuff.
She's like, gotcha. I'm like,
So yeah, that was really fun. Like you guys would have seen what the photos look like already because I would have included them in this video, but
that is scary.
we have no idea what they look like,
Yeah.
so we will find out soon enough. But yeah, thank you so much for watching, you guys, and thank you for shooting with me. I had so much fun. But yeah, so thank you so much, and we'll see you all next time. Bye.
Bye.